I'm going to show you two ways to get to Sora. First, make sure you're logged into office.com with your YesPrep account. Click on the waffle menu and click on All Apps. Scroll all the way down until you see Sora. When you use this method, Sora will automatically take you to the YesPrep page. Click on the drop-down menu and select YesPrep Secondary. Then click Sign In. Because you're already logged into office.com, you'll be taken right into the Sora app. You can also get to Sora by going directly to the Sora site. In your browser, go to soraapp.com. Sora will guess which school you're at based on your location. If you don't see YesPrep on this page, click on Switch Schools or Find My School. If you still don't see YesPrep, click on My School Isn't Listed and search. Click on YesPrep and then click on the drop-down menu and click YesPrep Secondary. If you aren't logged in automatically, put in your YesPrep email address and password. And now you're in.